What's up guys, my name is Fields. I'm about to do my first unboxing ever of the brand new 2018 MacBook Pro 13-inch. And this is the one that Apple dropped out of nowhere. It just popped up on the website. It just came up in stores today, so I had to go up and grab that. Want to do a little unboxing for you guys, all right? So here we go. First thing I'm gonna do is just go ahead and slice this bad boy open. I'd always use a butter knife because you don't want to damage the goods, you know what I'm saying? So this one has a quad-core processor, which has never been available for the 13-inch version. So this is going to be a powerhouse, guys. It's going to be a, get off more. It's going to be a powerhouse. People have been wanting this for a long time. This is actually a huge upgrade for me. I used to have a 2009 15-inch MacBook, my baby. Anyway, here we go guys. Plastic's off, man. Plastic's off. All right, I'm gonna just face it your way. Holy shit. Oh my gosh, guys. Here it is. I got the space gray, you know, because you can't go wrong with that. Cool little tab, you know how Apple does it, always swagged out. And this is it. It's gonna look exactly the same as the 2017 version. The only difference is the internals. It's a lot faster. It's got... Hey, Amora, please. Shh. Okay, so it changed the keyboard. The keyboard is quieter. It's got a quad core, like I said. It's got this True Tone thing that was on, it's on all the iPads and stuff, so it's finally integrated into this. There's a few other new things too that I'm just too lazy to describe. But this is it, guys. I'm not gonna take the plastic off for you guys. I'm gonna save that for me because it just seems right. You got your classy Apple design here, Apple packaging. Got your literature, the brick, and we got our new USB-C cord. And I know you guys will probably rip me in the comments because I'm not a tech head, man. I just make beats, you know what I mean? Also, go check out my page, Feels by Para on Instagram for some freshness, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's where I'm gonna leave it. Sorry if that wasn't good enough, but I'm gonna leave all the sexiness, like taking this off and everything like that, for me, privately, all right? So that's it, guys. I got it before you. Just playing. Gang.